All right, guys, we got another one for you today. We're at the customer's pool down here in Lawrence, South Carolina. Vinyl liner pool. Customer states that they're dropping almost an inch a day for approximately 400 gallons. Let's get around here and see what we can figure out. Here we are at a nice 18 by 36 vinyl liner pool. Client states that the vinyl liner is approximately 15 years old. With that kind of age, it sure is in really good condition. This just goes to show that if you take care of things the right way, they can last you quite a long time. 15 years. Wow. Well, let's dive in and get started. Here's the filtration equipment. Pump running. A little bit of water leaking right here around the handle of the multi-port, as you can see. Got a little leak. We'll go out here and check the backwash line while the system's running. Here's the backwash line out here in the yard. There's an opening, looks dry. Let's drop a little bit of dye right there. Yeah, no backwash issues out here. Let's shut the pump off. And now we'll get ready to check out the pool and the plumbing. Looks like we found an issue in the skimmer body, right around the skimmer port. Let's grab the GoPro and some dye and give you a fisheye view. Right here we are demonstrating dye being pulled into the skimmer crack where we notice something more significant. The dye was also being drawn down into the skimmer supply line. To verify this, we performed a cone and dye test on the plumbing. Let's grab our microphone. All right, let's take the microphone and drop in the skimmer and see what we can hear. You can really hear that water rumbling through that break in the pipe. Let's grab our camera and see if we can actually put eyes on this problem. Handheld camera. And let's grab our 85-foot camera reel. Sea snake. Let's head around and get this party started. We're going to use the rigid sea snake camera and stick it down into skimmer line pipe and see what we can find. So we're introducing the pipe camera down. And right here at the bottom, probably a 90-degree fitting, you can see that crack right there and over there on the opposite side. Significant water leak. This repair is going to require excavation. Let's go ahead and grab some putty and make this repair in the back of the skimmer. Oop. That wasn't supposed to happen. Go ahead and mix it up. So we've applied a temporary epoxy solution to the back side of the skimmer port here to help mitigate some of the water loss for the time being. There's still a severe break in the plumbing line. We're going to instruct the client to leave the system off for about 24 hours and then run the system continuously to help alleviate some of the water loss until a permanent repair can be applied. All right, guys, so we're buttoned up here today. We put a temporary patch on the back side of the skimmer around the plumbing pipe. There is a broken line that's going to require excavation. In the meantime, as always, this is Chris with Aquatrace. Don't get caught with your water down.